everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen, and today I've got some recipes for you that I know everybody's probably starting to run out a little bit of stuff, and they're not wanting to go to the grocery store. I know I'm not, so I thought I'd bring you a couple of little things, and this is going to lead into tomorrow's video. So the first thing we're going to make is homemade mayonnaise. I just like making homemade mayonnaise because I don't necessarily like buying store-bought, and you know, it's easy to make, and I thought I would share my recipe with you. So we're going to tilt the camera down and I'm going to show you how we're going to get started. So be right back. Okay, so I have my bowl here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a cup of light tasting olive oil, and you can use pretty much any light tasting oil that you have on hand. And you need a cup of oil. Okay. And you need a room temperature egg. Now, here's a little hack for you. If you need a room temperature egg quicker than you have time to let an egg sit out, you can set it in some warm water in a bowl for 10 minutes and it'll help bring it up to room temperature. I found that out today because I needed to shoot this video. All right, to that, I'm adding a tablespoon of dried mustard. Now, you can use Dijon mustard, you can use regular yellow mustard. Use what you got on hand, guys. I know right now, you know, it's hard to get to the store, and this is the whole reason, you know, we're doing this. Maybe you don't, or maybe you just want to make your own mayonnaise, which I prefer to do. Okay, so tablespoon of dried mustard. Then to that, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Well, about a tablespoon and a half, probably. Because I always can add a little bit more if I need it, but it's easier to add to than take away. Then it says 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. I just usually kind of eyeballs the salt. And if you wanted to add some pepper to it, you could, but the next recipe we're doing with the mayonnaise also kind of adds salt and pepper, so I don't want to go too far here. Okay, then you just stick your emulsion blender in there. And let it do its thing. And it's that easy to make mayonnaise, guys. And I guarantee it's better than anything you're gonna buy in the store. Look at that. All right, now a lot of times I will make this in the jar I'm going to keep it in. Perfect. But since I'm making a second recipe, I made it in a bowl. So now let's make the second recipe we're going to make with this. We're going to be making some tartar sauce. All right, so I'm going to unplug my immersion blender, and then I'm going to show you the tartar sauce we're going to make. hand that off to Papa real quick. Give me the half a cup, please. Just give this a little stir. Look at that, guys. How perfect is that? And it tastes really good. And it tastes even better as tartar sauce. All right, we are going to take a half a cup of our freshly made homemade mayo. And I could keep it in the same bowl, but I'm not using all my mayo to make the tartar sauce. Okay, I'll hand that to you. Oh, I need my spoon. Hold on. All right, half a cup of mayonnaise. Then I need a knife, please, sir. We are going to... That wasn't good. Hold on for just a second, my friends. Well, that's getting edited out as I wipe mayonnaise off the mic. Boy, my 1,000th subscriber blooper video that I'm gonna do is gonna be hilarious, because that's going in there, as I hope that don't screw up my audio. Please don't let that screw up my audio. We are going to dice up a dill pickle. You just need one little kosher pickle is all you need for this. I need that onion out. No. Okay. Now you can use sweet relish, you can use whatever you prefer. I prefer dill. So just, again, whatever, or if you have some already made up relish in your refrigerator, use that. Whatever you got on hand. You could put all this in your food processor. That would work too. Yeah. All right. Do I have any onion powder? You sure? Okay. I was hoping I had onion powder. You want half teaspoon probably 3/4 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. One tablespoon of dill seed. I'm sorry, of dill, not dill seed, of dill. I'll put the recipe for this down below. Okay. Then you're gonna put, if you have Dijon mustard in here, this would be, you could add it to this. I do not. So I'm using regular mustard. And you're just mixing it all up together. Just like that. And the last little ingredient is just another little dash of lemon juice. That is some really good tartar sauce, guys. I'm going to let it set up and chill in the refrigerator. Okay, I'm going to bring y'all back up, and then I'm going to tell you about tomorrow's video. So today's video, I've showed you how easy it is to make your own homemade mayonnaise and then turn it into some great homemade tartar sauce. So check out tomorrow's video, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. I hope to see you back. Be sure, I hope to see you today in our 30-minute devotional. If not, we'll see you in tomorrow's video.